Attorney Mike Monteforte here. It's March 27, 2019, and I wanted to show you guys some of these cool new displays that we just got here in the office. So these displays are designed to illustrate our core values, and what that means is the very fiber of what makes the company run, what I believe in, what I want my employees to believe in, what I want the law firm to stand for is set out in these core values. It explains a little bit about why I do what I do, how I do it, the reasons behind it. So I thought it was important to put these together and show them to clients. So we got these pretty cool displays that are going to be here in the office, and these are actually based off of an infographic that I drafted. I created this infographic so the clients can download it. So I'm going to go over some of just the basic things that are here, but at the end I'm going to provide the link for the infographic so that you can download it, take a look at it, and get an idea of some of the finer details. So the very first thing at the top of this poster here is showing you that these values make up the DNA of our company. In other words, these values are so ingrained in what we do that they are part of everything that we do. And the first one that is listed here is the most important, and that's service with dignity. We deal with all different kinds of clients in estate planning and elder law, including some clients who either themselves or their spouses are going through various stages of diseases, things like dementia, Alzheimer's, memory loss. And we are determined to treat those clients with the same dignity and respect that we would want to be treated ourselves. So it's very important and very ingrained that we provide service with dignity, with respect to all of our clients, but especially to our seniors. It's important to me that they are treated in a respectful manner. I think of each of these clients and how I treat them as how I'd want to treat my own grandparents, my grandfather, my grandmother, when they were still here with us. So service with dignity, that's huge. That's why it's on the very top. Next, we always want to provide you with the best products. We want to give you the highest quality documents, we want to give you custom solutions, and we want to provide value. The highest quality documents are an easy thing. I feel honestly in my bones that we provide the best product out there. Our documents are as good, if not better, than those attorneys in Boston. We want to give you the Boston document without the traffic, save you that ride down 93, 2 hours to get in there, $100 to park, and 2 hours to get home. Why go there when you can just come here to Wilmington and get something just as good? Those guys in Boston have very expensive rents to pay for, very high taxes. I don't have that kind of overhead here, and it lets me provide a little bit better value because you're going to get the same document, but you're not going to pay their price. And speaking about value, we are determined in our estate plans to provide the best value possible. That means that even though there's some upfront cost, we strive to reach a goal that is going to save you as much money in protected assets, estate taxes, equity in your house. We want that value to far exceed anything that you pay for one of our plans, and we do continually meet that goal. The last thing that, if you can see all the way down here on the bottom of this first poster here, is education, and that education is referring to us here at the office and to our clients as well. So estate planning and elder law is a fluctuating field. It changes all the time. The regulations change, the rules change. Benefits that are provided through the government, they are constantly changing and fluctuating. And so I have to attend continuing education every year. Every year, twice a year, I go to the Medicaid update where we talk about changes in the regulations, new case law, what techniques are working, what techniques are not working. So education is a very big part of what I do here. Just to steal a phrase from a mentor of mine, Ben Glass, he talks about being a forever learner. And that's what we are here. We never stop learning so that we're always giving you the best possible product. But education doesn't just apply to us, it applies to our clients as well. I make sure to continually keep my clients educated about what's going on, what documents they need, what those documents mean, what the purpose is. And we provide tons of information on our website that you can download that's going to answer many of your questions about estate planning, about elder law, about estate taxes, about Medicaid liens, about whether or not you can keep your house if you're going into an assisted living or a nursing home. If you go to the website, first of all, you can download the book that I wrote. It's called Planning Ahead. You can also request a hard copy, and that book's full of information about estate planning and about elder law, but I've also written many other articles and taped lots of other videos like this that answer tons of questions and provide education to our clients. And that education is something that we're continually updating. We put in new articles and updates on our website all the time. The next thing that you want to see here in the next poster is that we want to be your estate planner for life, and there's a lot that goes into that. Okay, I am not big on an attorney that gives you a set of documents, wipes their hands, and says, "Okay, go on your way." That's not how we work. We want to be with you over the entire course of your life's journey. Our estate plans are living things. They change as you change. Your needs change. Your life changes. You get married, you have children, you get a new job, purchase a new property, someone gets divorced, someone passes away. All those types of changes in your life can affect your estate plan, and your estate plan needs to change with it. So what we are looking to do is stay with you during the course of your life's journey and have you reach out to us as you experience these changes, as your life changes. We want you to check in with us. Let us know what's going on. Let us tell you whether or not that change would affect your estate plan in some way and whether we needed to do something new or something different. The other thing that you're going to see on here regarding the lifetime commitment that we make to our clients is we put a lot of stock in community support. This year I established a scholarship at Salem State. That scholarship's active and available now. That's my alma mater, so I wanted to help students going there. We've also got another scholarship in the works for Wilmington High School, and it's going to be for kids that want to go into a career in the law. So that scholarship, the second one, is still in process. The Salem State scholarship is up and running. It exists right now. But we support our community in other ways. Lots of you that know me know that my son's a ball player and my daughter is a dancer. And we support those endeavors, not just by paying our dues and our fees, but I do make charitable gifts to those institutions. I support Little League. I make donations to Little League. I make donations to the Wilmington Little League team that goes to Cooperstown. So even though my son is out of Little League, I still support those efforts. My daughter has danced in the Melrose Youth Ballet and the Nutcracker for a number of years, and we donate to that function as well as lots of other community events. We want you to be proud of us. We have pride in what we do. We want our clients to be proud of us as well. We want our clients to be happy to give our card to one of their friends or someone in their family and say, hey, these folks are going to help you. We also do make a referral pledge to our clients. We want to be your first call with any type of legal problem that you have. So yes, we practice in estate planning and elder law here. That's what we specialize in, but we cultivate a superb network of referral partners. And what that means is if there's some problem that you have, I guarantee you I've got someone in my referral network that can represent you and help you solve that problem. So if you've got a legal issue, no matter what type of legal issue it is, I want you to reach out to us. Instead of going on Google and Yelp and trying to find an attorney that way and looking through reviews, trust me to find you the right person. I've got lots and lots and lots of referral partners, and I've got the right person for you, whatever your legal issue might be. So we want you to reach out to us no matter what the nature of your legal problem is. A couple of other notes on the display here. We're talking about taking ownership. I take everything personally when it comes to what works and what doesn't work, our successes, our failures, but we maintain the highest standard of ethics here at all times. We want to make sure that we are acting ethically at all times. We're a member of the National Ethics Association, and we're passionate about what we do. As many of you know, I got into this field because of my grandparents. They're no longer with us. My grandfather passed about a year ago, my grandmother just this year in February. But when they got to a point in their lives where they were looking towards some long-term care needs, assisted living, we were trying to figure out how they were going to pay for it. Could we preserve their assets? Could we save their house? How did this all work? How do their benefits work, intermingle with each other. My grandfather was a veteran. How does veterans benefits play in? And at that time, I didn't know the answers to those questions. And so I made a pledge to myself then and there that I was going to become educated on this topic and in this field and learn how to do this. And since then, I have tailored my practice to focus just on these types of clients, just these types of issues. This type of work is what I do. I specialize in this work. I don't do anything else anymore. This is what I do. It's because of my grandparents that I got into this. I've got my grandfather's ring on the shelf in the other room. I look at it every day. It reminds me why I got into this field in the first place. But this stuff, it's confusing, it's scary, it's hard, and people often come into me in a very confused state. They don't know what to do. They don't know what's next. They don't know how they're going to pay for this stuff, how they're going to pay for their long-term care. And for me to be able to guide them and shine some light on the path that they are walking down, give them a little bit of guidance and be able to tell them, hey, look, I can help you with this. That's the best part of my day, and it's the reason why I love doing this work, the reason why I'm passionate about this. So that's why passion is listed here as part of our core values, because I really wanted to focus my law practice on something that I was passionate about, and I realized that this is the reason why I come in here every day with a smile, and why I feel so good when I'm able to help somebody, because I'm passionate about what I do. So those are the new posters that we have. You can come in and check them out. I'm also going to provide a link to the infographic if you want to download it and read some of the finer details yourself, or come by here and take a look. Wanted you to see them. They're pretty cool, and they really do reflect a lot about me and the way that I run my business. Hope you like it.